Hello friends, welcome on video number 2. In video 1, we studied that how we can use star create mark syntax to get an output of number of component IDs available on display with a short example. So now in this video, we are going to focus on second syntax, that is hm underscore get value. Let's see screen. Hm underscore get value. Also, in last video, we take one command, that is hm get mark. So now in this video we will focus on hm get value. So for better understanding, I will take a short example. Let's see, star create mark component 1 display, then set a okay, no issue, set a hm get mark component 1, and I will call it $a. Okay. So friend, if you want, now it will give you output about IDs. But if you here is something change. If you want the component IDs name, then how you can get it in output? So for that you have to use hm get value command. So I will tell you with the example. Just do like this: set b hm get value. Sorry, hm get value component. Here you have to put the id. So id of the part, id of the component id. uh, uh, so for that id it will take the name. So let's see, we take 50. Okay, and you have to put in data name. This is the syntax. You have to put name. So if you, after that, if you put $b, it will give you an output like this, something part name like part a, like that, in string format. Don't forget string format. It will give you output string format. Okay. So friends, I will just briefly summarize this video because a lot 2-3 things we take. So we use hm get value command to get output name of the id specified. So thank you for your patience and understanding my approach, which I try to convey through this message, through this video. Thank you.